Well, ready or not, here comes. Manus China's world-first fully autonomous AI agent. So the launch of DeepSeek was a massive moment for the American AI industry, and it was described as a Sputnik moment for the United States AI development, right? The idea that there is a race for AI supremacy, and while the United States is leading in a lot of ways, China has been shipping some pretty amazing technology. So now, not that long after DeepSeek, we have Manus. Here's a clip that's kind of going viral online. So this is Manus, and it can do a lot of tasks completely automated, looks like financial transactions and SNS analysis. Here is a video showcasing Manus's ability to transform any document into a website.